So I guess today's a good day to say that we went nursery hopping.
Yeah.
So after our last nursery, we decided to get away and come to a nursery that we've been just wanting to come. But we've been so busy doing everything at the house that we just haven't had time. But I've been wanting to come here for such a long time. So we found out about this nursery through Instagram. And they're here located in San Antonio, and they're called Alfaros.
Yep, Alfaros Jardineria.
Alfaros Jardineria. And we've just been wanting to come over here and see, what's going on.
Yeah.
Because there's always just, I don't know, there's just something that I see from the owners and everything that I just want to come over and visit. So
yeah, so it's kind of a hidden gem.
Yes, it's new. I think they just started.
It's new, kind of a hidden gem. Unique story behind it, but we hope that it doesn't stay a hidden gem because we're going to check it out here and see what's going on.
We already like what we see.
Okay, so we got off here and I said it was a hidden gem, and it definitely is.
It definitely is. We're so happy. I'm so happy that we got here.
Yeah. So for all our viewers that are here in San Antonio and you see the stuff that we grow, and we're growing Peru winter stuff, if you're looking for some Peru winter stuff, like a variety of it, definitely come out here. You're gonna find, look at all these beautiful hanging baskets right here. These are amazing. And a variety. You got Candyland, you got Spirit America, ready for July. Get it now, grow it there. What's that one right there?
Look at this one. I'm trying to remember the name of this one.
Hoopla?
I think it's called Hoopla.
Sorry for the jets passing by.
And then here's one that I've been seeing a lot of.
Which one is that one? Do you know the name?
It doesn't have it. I know I've seen it. So bad with name, guys. But they have a lot of variety. So I know there's more on that side. If you want us to go over there.
Yeah, let's go.
And see what they have. As soon as we got off, I saw the color.
Yeah. So if you're looking for individual containers, this is the place to go for Peru winter plants, guys.
Look at this. So I back then I was not a fan of anything that had this kind of color. So we've grown this one before. It's Super Tunia Mini Visit Violet Star. And we grew this because I wanted my red, white, and blue in the garden, and that's what I used.
Yep.
I see the one that we were looking at, and it has to have the name on it, on individual. So this one right here.
Tiara Pink, that's what it was.
Tiara Pink. So I'm definitely taking Tiara Pink. And then you have this one, it's called Hoopla Vivid Orchid.
There you go.
I've been looking for this one, so this is definitely something we're taking too. So I'm looking to put together containers. But yeah, you have all these other pretty colors that are your more coral colors. This one is your Super Tunia Bermuda Beach. We've used this one before. Yep. And of course, this is like my favorite one, Jazzberry.
Oh, I love Jazzberry.
My Juicies colors, I call them the Juicies. So yeah, if you're in the lookout for a lot of the Peruvian winners, Super Tunias, even the Mini Vistas, the Calabrocha, they have a lot here.
Check out behind you, Coleus.
Oh my gosh, yes. Coleus does amazing here. The Color Blaze variety does amazing in San Antonio.
Okay, guys, I hope it's not picking up the sounds of that engine over there because
I'll move over here.
This is also a tree farm, so there's a lot of equipment moving around.
This is my favorite. It's been my favorite for how many years since it came out? 2-3 years now?
3 years now? 3-4 years? I don't know.
This is Color Blaze Mini Me Watermelon. So it stays really small. And we had this one in full-blown sun, and it has done amazing.
Here's one of my favorites.
Oh my.
Chocolate
I haven't
drop.
seen this one in a while. Chocolate Drop. Yeah, so if you're on the lookout, definitely for these kinds of plants that bring more color, something different, definitely come to Alfaros Garden Center. No, yep. Jardineria.
Yeah.
Alfaros Jardineria. Yeah, this is just beautiful. Oh my gosh.
All right. Okay, guys. So if you're looking for the Peruvian winter plants here in San Antonio, you can't find them anywhere else. You see the variety that they have here. Definitely come out here and take a look. This garden center is what, only like a year old?
Yes.
And you know, we wish them very much success. And you know, I would say come out here and help them out. This is an awesome awesome little gem.
We need to let everybody know about this amazing place here. It's family owned. There's a beautiful story. One day we'll go ahead and sit down and have a little chat so y'all can get to know who's running this too, and just know this beautiful story, because it is just amazing, and you want to know more about it. Yeah, definitely head over and just come and have some fun out here.
We're gonna put the camera down and look around a little bit so we can pick out some stuff, guys. Oh, we got some begonias in here too. Look at that.
Look at that yellow one. I can't help myself, guys. I'm going crazy right now because they're so pretty.
That's a beautiful looking begonia.
Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Beautiful. This one is in pink, like a very light white pink.
Yep.
That's so pretty. This one's my favorite.
Oh, the Rocapulcos?
Yeah, the Rocapulcos. They're so pretty. Oh, and rojo. It's gorgeous.
All right, so had a very busy day today.
Very good day.
Yeah.
When it has to do with plants, it's always a good day.
Yeah.
And the weather's perfect too, so.
Yeah, it was great weather. So we actually just got back from visiting Alfaros Jardineria, and it was pretty awesome. It's a fairly new nursery or garden center, jardineria, you know, that's just been around for what, maybe a year now?
I think so. It's fairly new, but I think I mentioned in the beginning that we had come across the account on Instagram.
Yeah.
And, you know, when we got here to San Antonio, we were searching for like places where, you know, we could find our favorite type of plants, just other garden centers.
Yeah.
And we had seen their the jardineria on there on Instagram. And then we saw him on there.
Yeah.
Talking about, there was just something about this young man, very passionate.
Yeah.
Speaking about the plants, about how in San Antonio, you know, I think everywhere we grow up with the plants that you know, our parents have shown us, our grandparents, and sometimes nothing else new sometimes comes in.
Yeah.
Into the garden. And as we have been gone for so long, we were able to venture out and learn about new plants.
Yeah.
Now that we made it back home to San Antonio, we can't stop growing those plants. So we're always on the lookout for that. And when I saw him speaking about that, about how he wants to grow different plants.
Yeah.
He wants to see different plants grown here. By that we mean too, there's so many beautiful plants being bred.
Yeah.
And I don't know, and it's just so much fun to kind of get out of the box.
Yeah.
And plant something different, not your same thing. Like we were talking about lantana. Love lantana, but guys, you said it. You said it perfectly.
It's a weed here. I mean, you're gonna see it everywhere.
Yeah.
So this is the haul we came back with. Now, anywhere we've ever been, you know, Virginia, North Carolina, up north, you're gonna find this variety of plants just about in any garden center that we can go to. And not so much here though. Yeah. And we were gonna go to like different Home Depots, different places to see what kind of Peruvian winners plants they had. We saw this, we took a trip, and man, we'll be surprised by the stuff that we found, because
you'll find a few things here and there in garden centers. We're not saying that, you know, we'll find, we have found other garden centers where you do find a few, you know, Peruvian winners plants, but the variety that Alfaros Jardineria had.
Yeah.
Oh, that they have, wow.
Yeah, this young man is very, very interested in bringing this type of gardening to San Antonio, and it's just exciting to see that excitement in someone so young and starting a business like this. It's just awesome, and you know, we would love nothing more but to support something like that.
Yeah, this is when, you know, you get out there and you support the next generation, the youth. You help them out to continue this, and it's so amazing because for him this is a family thing. He was so kind to give us a small tour of
It's basically a tree farm. So he was kind enough to give us a tour of the tree farm, and I'll put some video in there like about the tour. I mean, not much video, but I was able to record a little bit. But it's pretty interesting to see that it's a tree farm. It's one of the 3 tree farms or 3 tree providing businesses here in San Antonio. They actually do a lot of saving. They save some trees from different, commercial buildings or any type where they do any construction where they're going to remove a tree or get rid of a tree. They try to save that tree and they resell it or do what they need to do to save that tree and give back. But it's pretty awesome to be able to see that happening.
That's amazing. It's very nice to see. It's a whole family thing. It's a whole family business thing, and it's really beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. You can feel it when you're you're there.
Definitely.
And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for places where you go and you buy plants, but it doesn't feel like you're just.
Yeah.
I don't know. There has to be a warmth to it for us at least, and that for me was a place that feels just like that.
Yeah. So for those of you that follow us locally here in San Antonio, if you're looking for this place, it's on Old Pearsall Road in Atascosa County. It's a big tree farm, but it's a very small jardineria, and it's exciting to see it that it's that small, and just being able to envision what it can become because he's definitely got something going there, and I'm very excited to see where he goes because I'm excited by it.
I'm very excited just to hear all the plants and everything. And one day we'll go ahead and sit together and we'll go ahead and have a chat with him so everybody can hear him, hear a lot about him. You can follow him. Go and follow him actually on Instagram, Alfaros Jardineria. There's a video there of him actually speaking about his passion. We just found out he has a YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Alfaros Jardineria has a YouTube. We'll just go ahead and put down below the tree. Also, I don't remember the name.
I don't remember
the tree
the name.
farm. But we'll go ahead and put that down there. You might want to show what you brought home too.
Oh, I did forget that. Hold on.
This color's like everywhere right now in the garden.
All right, so this is an amazing find. This one is Let's Dance Lovable. We were looking for macrophylla hydrangeas. You're gonna find them here, but you're gonna find more of the, the typical blue hydrangeas you see here. But we definitely love the Peru Winners variety because they do absolutely amazing. And so I was excited to see this one here. And so it's exciting to bring this one home. I might have to go back and get another one.
It's just beautiful, beautiful. The plant selection was wonderful. I was looking for something actually for the front. The front of our garden right now is not looking good because we've been spending all the time back here. So I was waiting to go to see his nursery. Yeah. That's why I had not picked anything for the front. And I'm so happy with the things that we brought back.
Yeah.
So I guess this is the color for the year here in our garden, right? A bunch of juicy colors.
Yeah, and she keeps calling it juicy, and I think that's what we're sticking with.
More juicy colors.
Okay, so hope you enjoyed that quick visit. It's exciting to be able to see that. If you haven't followed us yet, go ahead and follow us, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.